Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. I'm Lokutur Sriwidyas from Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha, Singaraja, Bali, Indonesia. In this occasion, I want to share the result of my study related to project-based language teaching and technology in online drama class. Okay, without further ado, let me go through the reason why I conducted this study. Okay, this is because of I found some threats of EFL learners in learning English, and one of the threats is the unsupportive environment in acquiring the target language, in this case, English. Okay, because the EFL learners in Indonesia mostly use English only in classroom context, not in daily context. In this case, the teacher should expose or bring the real world to the classroom, because classroom is the only place the EFL learners in Indonesia learn English. And then the right strategies, task exposure are needed to train the student using their target language, to motivate them in learning and to awaken their critical thinking. And one of the strategies can use to bring the real world to the classroom context is project-based learning. Project-based learning is the strategy where the student can learn by engaging the real world to create meaning. And there are so many researches conducted based on or using project-based learning in the language teaching. And one of them is conducted by Siris Rimangkorn in 2018, which collaborating project-based learning and drama and get the benefit of students' language learning improvement. Because of those empirical study, the writer or me myself eager to design project-based learning for drama class by combining it with the use of technology in online teaching. And this is a simple library research study by using documentation, researcher notes, and analyzing by using interactive model. And after that, the library research will use to design the implementation of project-based language teaching in this study. And here is the discussion. Based on the library research, I found that there are some steps used by the other researchers in implementing project-based language teaching. And then after that, after defining the steps, and then I come with my own step by adapting two researches here from Siris Rimangkorn and from Jalinus Nabawi and Mardin. Yeah, later on I will show you the 4th step of mine. And then to maximize the implementation of this project-based language learning, I need to know the strengths of this learning method. And the first one, of course, project-based language learning improve language skills. Yeah, and the second, it can overcome fears of speaking and raise students' interest. And the third, because it conducted in student-centered, yeah, project-based learning can promote student responsibility, autonomous, critical thinking, and creativity. And all of these things is the goals of 21st century learners. So I think this is a strong reason why we should use project-based learning in teaching. And also I found some challenges in conducting these strategies. Yeah, the first one is the teacher challenge to do research before implementation. Like me myself, yeah, I do a simple library research first, and then after that, another challenge is the extra time needed for the implementation. And the third one is how teachers handling disagreement or clash between or among the student in team, because most of the activities in project-based language learning is conducted in group. Okay. After I do kind of library research, I come to my own design of project-based language teaching for drama class, in this case, online drama class. And then I come to 4 steps of mine adapted from 2 research previously. Okay, the first one is introduction step. Okay, it is conducted in the first meeting of the 16th meeting. Yeah. The teacher informing the learner objective and outcome, concept use, timeline of the project, and criteria of assessment. It conducted in the introduction step. And the second step in work in project step, the student learn about this concept and directly exercise and apply it to the context of drama production. It happened in 2nd until 14th meeting. And the third step in publishing step, the student publish their project to public and get feedback about their project. It happened in 15th meeting. And the last step in reporting step, the student report the process, the product, the feedback, and the implementation toward the project. And it happened on the last meeting. And during the meeting, I use technology because this drama class happened in online setting. So the technology used are Zoom, Google Meet, and WhatsApp group for the discussion and the meeting, virtual meeting. I use also Google Classroom for the LMS, and I use YouTube and Instagram for publishing in publishing step. Yeah, this is the some pictures. Yeah, of the implementation. I use YouTube to publish the videos of the performance. And the special thing here is that I use kind of reward and punishment strategies, yeah, to motivate students in creating the project. For the reward, besides giving encouragement through the meetings and feedback for each task, I register the best performance to get hak kekayaan intelektualitas in Bahasa Indonesia or intellectual property rights on the video of monologue performance. While the punishment given is based on the time management and task project accomplishment, it can be in the form of warning and score reduction. Yeah, I really expect that the reward and punishment can encourage the student to do the project in their best. Okay, it can be concluded that project-based learning creates student-centered atmosphere, which can enhance student autonomy, critical thinking, creativity, and responsibility. Second, it also improves language skills. And the third, in this study, I designed project-based language teaching integrated with technology in online drama class, consists of 4 steps: introduction step, work in project step, publishing step, and reporting step. And all of the steps are integrated with technology because it's used to teach in online setting. Okay, the technology used is a matter of online meeting apps, chatting apps, LMS, and social media. That's all my presentation. Let's collaborate in doing the research related to education. I'm really open for that. Please contact me in any platform here. Thank you very much. See you really soon in collaboration.